Hello everyone! Welcome to our Ganchillo Tutorial 101. Crochet Tutorial 101. So, first, I will be showing you how to make a slip knot, and then how to make our foundation chain, and then how to make our single crochet. So we will be concentrating on this tutorial on this three basic steps. So first, slip knot, and then foundation chain, and then single crochet. So in making your slip knot, you have to make sure that you have enough tail for your later, if you will be sewing or connecting something later, so it's better to leave a long tail, not too long, just enough. So first, I will show you how to create a slip knot, so that it would be easy for you to see. So I will be placing this is the end part of the yarn, and then from here I will just make a circle like this. You can see it, or like that. And then this is my hook. I'm using a 5mm hook so that it would be much easier for you to see. So I will insert my hook in the middle, and then I will grab the yarn and then pull it inside, and then I have already my slip knot. Or so there's a lot of way. Actually, I'm just doing it like this. So I have my slip knot. But I will show you again in the easiest way. So just place it down here, and then you just make a circle, and then you insert your hook in the middle, and then you grab the yarn, and then you pull it inside, and then you just pull this yarn over here, and then now you have your slip knot. So now we will proceed in doing our foundation chain. So our foundation chain will depend on, for example, the width of the project that you are doing. Like for example, this one, I made 20 of this, 20 chains. So I make 20 foundation chain for this one. So let's do this.
I didn't understand that.
Oh my god, my TV is talking. So for example, how to make first chain. So this is the end part, like, so this is your yarn connected to the whole yarn. So this is the end part. Just do it like this. Just grab it and pull it out. Grab the hook and pull it out. Grab the hook and pull it out. So you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is our foundation chain. We were able to make 20, but then I will add another one, and then from the second hook, we will be making our first single crochet from the second hook from the loop. So insert the hook, grab the yarn, and pull it through. So that's your single crochet. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, so that's your first single crochet. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it out, grab the yarn. So you have your single crochet. So insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it out. You have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops. So that's your 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single crochet. So we'll be making our 5th single crochet. So insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it out. You have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So another one, insert your hook into the loop, into the chain, grab the yarn, pull it through. You have 2 loops on the hook, 1, 2, grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So we will be making this until the end. So this is our single crochet. And then the next time, our next tutorial will be how to make a double crochet and a triple crochet. And I will also teach you how to back loop, crochet, front loop. So we'll be making so this is our first chain single crochet, first row. So on the second row, what we're gonna do is make a chain and then turn your work like this one, and then you just insert into the first into the first chain, and then grab the yarn. You have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops. So insert the hook to the next, grab the yarn. You have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn. So you have your second chain. So you will just be doing this. You can just practice, and then you were making your learning to make your single crochet. So the next time I will teach you how to make a half double crochet, a double crochet, and then the triple crochet. So we'll make it a little maybe from third, and then I will show you what's the result. So not too loose, not too tight. You hold your, so this is the end part. So again, you have to make a chain and then turn your work into the other side. So this is the first row, this is second row. So again, let me insert it here on the same from the first chain, and then on the second chain insert it again, grab the yarn. So this is your second chain on your third row. Insert, grab the yarn, pull it out, grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops. So you can see. Okay, so that's it. So you just continue, and you can make a scarf or you can make a headband by just doing the single crochet. And then if you will able to learn the basic, you can make some skipping from chain, so you can create your own designs. And so first we will learn the basic, and then the next video, our tutorial 102, will be how to make a half double crochet and a double crochet. So okay, bye bye, thanks for watching, see you again.